Level your GM 1500 from front to rear while giving your truck a more aggressive look with Rough Country's 2-inch leveling kit. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 model pickup trucks come with a factory rake, leaving the rear much higher than the front. This simple solution raises the front end of the truck to match the height of the rear, providing a more aggressive appearance and enough increased ride height to run larger tires and wheels. Rough Country's GM 1500 leveling kit features an upper-strut spacer design, developed to improve CV boot clearance when compared to bottom mount spacers. This method offers better clearance for off-road driving, so you can tackle uneven terrain with greater peace of mind. Best of all, Rough Country's 2-inch leveling kit is engineered to retain your vehicle's smooth, factory ride quality. Give your Silverado or Sierra 1500 the aggressive look it deserves with a Rough Country leveling kit.